Well done, Math 114 online students. You've watched the welcome message that I gave you with regard to the course homepage. You followed directions, you hit the Getting Started module, and now you are here at the orientation, if you would, for the Getting Started module. What I intend to do in this video, just to kind of walk you around, give you an overview of what you're going to be seeing and what you should be doing, and then it's your job to basically go through each page and follow directions. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen. So again, what you're currently looking at, right, is our home page. And what I'll do, right, I know most of you probably use the Getting Started module here to go, but as part of my overview, let me go ahead and hit modules, the module key over here to the left. And what you're going to see is the actual layout of the module. So here's all the pages. So right now you're in the orientation page. There's videos about Canvas basics. There's videos about how to do Canvas assignments, how to get feedback from me on graded assignments, a page where you can actually practice doing an assignment. Again, remember, that's one of the things that are due midnight of August 23rd. And then another page where you can write your introduction. All right. And then, of course, the link for student links for that. So that is what you're going to see in this module. So let me go ahead and go to the orientation page. All right. And click on that. All righty. And what you're going to see here, all right, is that my internet's a little slow, I guess. The first thing I want to point out is that what I'm doing throughout this whole module is I'm giving you videos of instruction from myself or from others that I found who do a pretty good job, as well as kind of highlight some sections of our syllabus, right, about expectations and all that other good stuff. So the first thing you should do, if you haven't already done so already, is please make sure you have read the syllabus, that you're familiar with the ideas and the rules and the regulations and all the things I'm going to be asking you to do and what's going to be required of you. Okay, so please make sure you do that first. But each page has some, again, some highlights of that. As you see in the syllabus, I kind of talk to you about, I think this was the page one, about what you're going to be doing and your expectations in regard to working through Canvas modules. I'll let you kind of read through that, but I just want to mention to you that, again, that each module, right, eventually will have some guided notes for you to print out, right? You're going to do them by watching the video lessons. You're going to, participate in a discussion board if you have questions, right? In the appropriate assignment page, you're going to type in your guided notes. You're going to do your section quiz, and you're going to do that all on time. All right. So make sure you're doing that all on time, because as a syllabus mentioned, all deadlines in Canvas are hard. All right. Oops. They're hard deadlines. If you miss a deadline, you're going to get a 0. All right. I'm only grading things that are going through Canvas. So please make sure you do that. In terms of a time estimate, it's going to take you about 2 to 3 hours to complete each lesson video, right? And usually there's 3 a week, right? A Monday, Wednesday, Friday night. I would advise you to work ahead. Don't wait for deadlines, okay? Online expectations of you, I kind of go through that again. Obviously, we're an online class, so you're going to have to participate online, watching lesson modules, getting your homework done, submitting all that. You should be viewing your grades. You should be interacting on discussion boards, right? And checking your emails, both of them, as I'll talk about. All right. And then keep in mind for our course, the withdrawal date, right? You have until November 9th to officially withdraw. The inactivity date, right? That if you go over 5 days of inactivity, I'm going to drop you, right? Cheating, no cheating, right? And no AI, right? You guys do your own work, because again, you have to get ready for an in-person assessment. The AA is not going to help you, right? Your best friend who's really good at math is not going to help you. You're on your own, all right? So you need to make sure you're doing your own work. So that's that first page. Walking you through the others, next page. Goodness, I have, again, I didn't write these videos. I think they're pretty good. I don't want to reinvent the wheel, but there's a page about Canvas overview, about overall things in Canvas. If you're new to it, I'd encourage you to watch it. Another video about Canvas email. At this point, I want to make sure you guys understand that Canvas email and your student email account, at maricopa.edu, they are different. All right. I tend to like to work through the student email account. As a matter of fact, that's where you got your welcome email at. The biggest reason is I can get other people involved. If you have a tutor that's working with you, if you have another instructor that's working with you, if you're a DRS student and you have a DRS advisor, whoever it might be, we can actually CC those individuals in your student email account. When you're using your Canvas email, that email only applies to myself and you and your classmates. So we can't get third parties involved, which is why I really don't like using the Canvas email, but I will from time to time. But please make sure you're checking both accounts. All right. And then last but not least on this page, your welcome email, right? Your reply to it needs to be done by 11:59, August 23rd. If you fail to do so, you will be dropped from the class. All right, next page actually walks you through how to do an assignment. Again, I decided not to reinvent the wheel. This is an English professor at another university who kind of walks you through it. I think it's pretty good, kind of just showing you the interaction in a Canvas environment. The only thing I'm going to point out to you again via the syllabus, right, is that only guided notes and section quizzes that are uploaded correctly in the appropriate assignment pages in Canvas and by the deadline will be graded, right? I'm not going to grade any items that are emailed to me or somehow given to me outside of this Canvas realm, right? Or if they're late. So please make sure you're on task and you're always doing on time and you're always doing your own work. But please, especially if you're new to the Canvas environment, take some time to watch this lady's video. I know it's an English class, but it's the same process, right? Next page that you're going to be walking through, right, actually tells you how to get feedback from me. Once you've submitted items, right, what I'm going to do is grade it in the Canvas Speed Grader, right? And then you want to know how to get that feedback, especially if I take away points. I will always give you feedback on any points I take away from you, all right? So please make sure you read that. This, again, it's another English professor, as a matter of fact, from another university who put that together. I think it's pretty good. And again, why reinvent the wheel? And then just again, note the notes here, right? Basically kind of picking and choosing some highlights from your syllabi about your expectations. So make sure you do read through all those notes, right? And go from there. Next page, I'm actually walking you through, all right, a practice assignment. There's another video that I did make. I'm kind of culminating what the last 2 pages showed you and literally walking you through the practice assignment, how to upload, how to complete, how to convert, how to download, all kinds of stuff, all right? And again, this also has a completion date by 11:59. You'll be dropped from the class if you don't get your practice assignment done successfully, okay? Next page is actually an introduction. Again, I give you some directions. I actually made another video talking about it. And then obviously I have my own introduction for you to read and maybe laugh at or look at, okay, with all my grandbabies. So please, I want you guys to eventually do the same. Watch the video. I tell you how to put in pictures, right? How to dialogue in, how to reply to others. And so get that done. Again, another item, this one is due August 23rd by 11:59, or you'll be dropped from the class if you do not successfully complete it. All right, next page should be the last one. All right, this one basically goes through all the student resource links, right? The GCC Tech Help, disability resources. If you have a disability that you think is going to hamper your ability to perform in class, you need to contact them. There's all your links. All right, so that should wrap up the module. All right, again, those are all the pages. That's how you can access it from there. Please take some time to go through it, watch the videos, understand it, because I'm basically trying, oops, I don't know what happened there. All right, I'm trying very hard to get you guys acclimated to what my course is going to be like so that you're ready to hit the ground running when we really get into Math 114 material later on, right? So get the Getting Started module done. That way you can get started on your review and hit the ground running. Again, let's have a great semester, and I'll see you in some videos coming soon. Take care.